Okay, only because no one has made a video of this hotel for some reason. I think it's just really small. Maybe it didn't have the same name last year. Anyway, this is my hotel tour. This is my little doorway. Little light fixtures. They cleaned the room so everything looks nice and fresh. Except for me, who's been playing with dogs all afternoon. The shower is pretty. It has one of those rainfall shower things. It looks like it's all marbly. Even the shampoos and things smell really, really nice. A random artwork, which leads us to a living room area. A pretty good sized TV. And it has windows. You can kind of see what's going outside. This is a block from Coyoacan Park. There's a hamburger joint that's open pretty late. Looks kind of interesting, but a little too burgery for me, I think. Milkshakes look pretty good though. And a sushi place that's new. If you Google map this address, it's not in Google Maps. So they must be like brand new. Anyway, the couch is cute. Big kitchen. My flowers are still surviving. I really like them. There's a safe hidden away in here where we keep valuables and things. Just more light. There's more light. It's a nice big writing desk or place to do like computer stuff if one feels like it. Closet. Keep all the clothes. Comes with bathrobes, but I don't know. I like to wear my own stuff. And my clothes drying, I washed in the sink because I was running out of clean things to wear. And nice little tasteful accents. I love the lights in the room. Just the light bulbs specifically. I think they look kind of retro. So if I remember, maybe I'll have to change the light bulbs when I get home so that mine look like this. It's a coffee maker. Coffee stuff. German induction stove, which is kind of nice. Just normal pots and pans and things to cook with. I've got two beds. I've been using this one, but they're both kind of identical. Bamboo garden outside the window. Yeah, so guess so. Anyway, this would be considered their one-bedroom suite. Located right in the heart of Coyoacan in Mexico City. Thank you so much for indulging me. Light fixtures are cute. Look out the window again? Sure. Will I try a milkshake later? Maybe. We'll have to wait and see.